maybe I can donate it to somebody.
This is a boat that came in, and it's got a cracked block and a few other things that are interesting. It's been 10 years since it's been run. But the main thing that condemned this boat is that the stringer, if you could see where the stringers doesn't have anything on the inside and it's pushed out. And he had some people work on it, and that was their solution, is to put a block of wood underneath the stringer, and you could lift up actually on the motor because there's nothing holding that block of wood to the stringer. And that's the main thing that concerns me, is the structural failure of the wood on the motor mount. The transom's not good, and the floor has already been replaced. And most people, when they do fiberglass, wet the fiberglass out and then attach it to something. But if you do fiberglass, that's probably not the way to do it.